Our previous kitchen was quite a long and narrow one, but it was very dark, so we knew we wanted to lighten it up.
I love showing off my new kitchen, so my friend even messaged me the other day asking me for pictures of it to show her husband because she wants one as well.
I was just viewing all the different kitchens and yeah, fell in love with this one straight away.
Go with your heart, whatever you feel like you want. Don't think anything's too crazy. If you feel like you love something and it's that top picture on your Pinterest board, then try and go for it, definitely.
Since having the kitchen, we definitely spend a lot more time in it. We get to eat together a lot more as a family at the table, which we never did before.
The kitchen now we use as the main room of the house. It's where we have breakfast, lunch and dinner. We're here. We love having people over now, and it's really nice. It's the heart of the home to use this kitchen, so it's perfect.